write that in GitHub. That, as you know, that yesterday I told you how we can just write a program using Python in GitHub, and how we can just import that in the Cloud Shell. So without going to that GitHub, how we can write a C, C++, even Java, even Python programs in the Cloud Shell terminal, right? So we'll just see according to that. And one more thing, that you can also run SQL programs here. Okay, so if we will just open this Cloud Shell, Google Cloud, then you can also execute SQL, but for that it is asking for the billing account, right? So you have to pay for that, and I don't suggest that you will go for the payment one. You should always execute the free one that is available. So if we are interested in doing the SQL work, that means SQL one, you will see that whenever you click on SQL, let me show that. Suppose I'm writing here console cloud Google. Okay, so whenever I just see, this is the site, you can just open console.cloud.google.com. So see, so these are what, these are the files that I have, projects that I have already worked upon. So yesterday we created this file, recent file, and these are the files that I have earlier created. Okay, so you can also create the new file. So if you will just search here, otherwise you can see from here also, you can see there is SQL, right? In the left hand side, I can see, you can also see from your screen, this is SQL. So if you click upon this, click upon this. Okay, so it will ask you no active billing account, so you have to activate the billing account. It will ask you to just add your debit or credit card or net banking, etc. It will charge, right? So we are not going to do that. I do not want that you give money for this. So that's why I won't just suggest for the SQL, right? So if you have the billing account, if you have billing account, then also you can just directly write upon. There will be three tabs will be opened, that is SQL, SQL server, etc. So you are interested in doing the MySQL program, so click upon the MySQL. You can also create database, you can also insert the tuples, you can also edit the or you can say the update, right? So you can also update the values of the sale. Okay, the domain values also, domain also. So everything you can do as that you do in this database management system, same thing you can just perform on this Google Cloud also, but for that you need to pay. Okay. Mm. Next, right? So then we can have, just close this. So what you can do, you have just all of you, we will just run your C program in this Google Cloud Shell. So what you will do, everyone do with do this with me. Click upon this Google Cloud platform. Okay, you will get this kind of interface. Click upon these projects. You can work with any of the project. Let I am working upon this, right? So I'm working upon the recently created project yesterday. So let, then after that you have in the search bar, you have to type, that is admin API, right? Admin API. Click upon that. You will get App Engine Admin API. The process is same. We are doing this yesterday. So App Engine Admin API. Click upon that. Okay. We have already enabled this, so we have to manage only. Okay. Yesterday we enabled this App Engine Admin API. We have to manage it. So click upon this manage. Okay. Everyone do up to this. You have to, in the browser you have to type console cloud Google. Then yesterday we have worked upon that, we have created project. So either you can create a new project, or you can work with the previously created project. Okay, so it's your wish how you want to work. Then whenever you will open, you will see this kind of interface. These three dots will be there, and whenever you click upon this, you can see the number of created projects that you have created already, that will be displayed here. Okay, so in the search bar you have to search admin API. So whenever you will search, you will get one option, that is App Engine Admin API. So you have to click upon that. So if you have not enabled, if you have, if you are working upon a new project, you will get it is not enabled. So you have to enable that. The process I told you yesterday how we can enable. But if you have enabled, then you have to click upon manage. That means we have to manage this App Engine Admin API. We have already enabled, right? Okay, everyone do up to this. Clear? Doing? Okay. Click upon this activate cloud cell. Click upon this activate cloud cell. Okay, doing? Okay. It is still connecting. Okay. Did you get your cloud cell opened? Muhammad, it's taking time. Anybody has opened the cloud cell? For me, it's taking time. You opened? Okay. Let me open this again. Okay, wait for some time. Let me check the connection at my end. Okay. So if you have opened your cloud cell, then you can type. Let me show that. Yeah, I have also opened. Let me share the screen. Okay, so here uh, you can type here df space hyphen h, right? So whenever you type, you will see that the storage that is allotted by the Google, okay, by Google. That means how much is the storage allotted by Google. So you can see approx 5 GB, right? 5 GB. It is 5 GB allotted by Google for your work on the Google Cloud, right? So if you are allotted 5 GB to work with the Google Cloud, okay. So this is the way by which you can get. So df space hyphen h, let me write that in the chat box. Yeah, hyphen space, yes. Okay, another thing is that another way you can get the storage, that is ls block, blk. Okay, ls block, you can also check whether you are getting or not. This is ls blk. Okay, you are also getting in this way the storage, right? So if you want to go to the parent working directory, so you can write here pwd. Okay, so let I'm writing here pwd, that is parent working directory. You can see this is my parent working directory, right? Here everyone up to this clear? Then first of all, we want to create a C program, right? So for that, we have to create a file. Okay, if you want to put our C program in that file, the extension of the file should be .c. Okay, so how we can do that? We can create the file using this touch command. Touch. Let the name of the file is hello world mm, 1.c, right? All of you do the same. Remember one thing, if I think it is not visible properly, you can go to this terminal setting. Okay, then click upon this terminal preferences. You can also increase the text size. Let me increase the text size to medium. Okay, I think it is now visible, somehow manageable. Everyone do the same. Okay, so you can go to this terminal setting, go to this terminal preferences. You can also change the color, text size, font, etc. So I have just increased the font size to medium one so that you can clearly see what I'm writing. So write the code that is touch. Let me write in the chat box also. We have to write touch command to create the file, and the name of the file I have written, that is hello world 1.c. You can give the name of the file as per your wish. We have created, right? So let's check this ls. Oh, okay, let's write this one ls, right? So here how we can, you can see that these are the files. Whenever I'm typing ls, you can see these are the files. Okay, hello world.c, this is the file already executed by me. This is hello world.py, that means python file already executed. So ls means list, it will show you the list, that what are the other files available in the current directory. It will show you the list. So if you have not executed any file, any program, then it won't show you anything, right? Okay, so let, what you want to do, we have to open an editor to write the C code. So what we'll do, we will write edit space name of the file hello world 1.c. Okay, hello world 1.c. You will see that editor will be opened. You can see from my screen that connecting to your cloud shell editor. Okay, so you can see here this is hello world.c. The file is now opened. It is writing that you just start typing the code. The things that is visible now, it will not it will be deleted automatically. Okay, all of you do up to this. All of you do up to this. Okay, yeah. What about others? You can see here the name of the file that I have given. Don't look at this because these are the other files that I have already executed. So I have not deleted that one. So that's why these files are now visible. But in your case, these files won't be visible. It will just show you the name of the file currently you have given to given, and this is with the extension. Okay. So this is my current file, that is hello world one, and the extension is .c. Everyone do up to this. Then in this file you have to write a code, simple code. That means any code you can write. That means any code that belong to C programming, you can write that, because we have opened a file of with C extension, so we can write the any C program. So let I am writing for practical purpose, for means we are testing that whether it is working or not. So I will just write a simple code to test only. So that may be, that is has include, this is stdio.h, right? So next is I can write here void main and printf welcome to the world. Okay, welcome to the world, right? That means this is the C code that we have written here in our file, that is hello world.c. Up to this, everyone clear? We wrote the code. Do with me so that it will be clear. It will be very clear for you. Yeah. Okay. Here you can see there is written open terminal. This is the open terminal. Click upon this open terminal. Now we are in open editor. You can see from the left hand side, it's Cloud Cell editor is there, and we are just editing our code. We are just writing our code. Okay. So these are the files that I have already created. If you have executed any program in Cloud Cell, it will Cloud Cell terminal. It will just show you. Otherwise, it will show you the current program, current file. Okay. So you can see in my case, this is showing me so many files with java.py.class. That means I have executed. So this is my current file with .c extension, and this is the code that I have written. So here also you can see this is the name of the file, currently executed file, and here you can see one tab is there that is written open terminal. So you just click upon that. Okay, click upon that. So whenever you click, now we have to run our, which one? Do me one thing, you just share your screen, I will instruct. No, you have written the code, then at the right hand side you can, on the top, in that G editor, you can see there is open terminal. Is it written open terminal? Share your screen. Open terminal is written, you click upon that and the terminal will be opened. Yeah, this is terminal is written. Click upon the terminal. Yeah. Okay. Now terminal is open. Okay. Okay. Uh, okay. Just stop sharing. I will share. Right. Then what we can do? We have to check. That means we are compiling C. That means we need GCC, right? GCC. This is the C compiler, and G++ is the C++ compiler. We know that. So we will just check the whether GCC is available or not. Connection is lost. Okay. So write GCC space double hyphen version. Okay, you will see that the version is now available. That means GCC compiler, C compiler is also there. Then would just press ls. Okay, you will see these are the files. These are the files, and you can see here hello world 1.c. This is my currently executed file also showing. So these are what, these are already executed files by me, so these are showing. And in your case, if you have not executed anything, you will just see this file, the currently executed, currently means written file, created file, that is hello world 1.c in my case, right? So then what you want to do, you have to write GCC space the name of the file, that is hello world 1.c. Hello world 1.c. Okay, right? Then write ls, write ls. Then you will see there is a dot out is there, a dot out. That means this is the executable file. So now we just got the executable file. We have to execute that. Okay, how we can do? Dot slash a dot out. Okay, so here you can see I have written welcome to the world. This was my within my printf statement. So now this is displayed. So if you will execute what you have written in your file, it will be displayed. Everyone do the same and to tell me whether you have received the output or not. Error, you are getting error. Okay, you show just share a screen. Compilation terminated. Okay, you just share your screen. Double hyphen should be there, na? You have given single hyphen. GCC space double hyphen version. Click, click. Okay, this is the GCC 11.4.0. Okay, then type ls. Click. So you can see, so these done sly, this was previously created, right? Yesterday you created. Now you have created hello world 1.c. Okay, this is the text cell and this is the file. Then type this GCC, type GCC space name of the file hello world 1.c dot c. Enter, enter. Okay, then type ls. It will show you a dot out. That means it's the executable file. Then you have to type dot slash a dot out, a dot out. Enter. Okay, enter two numbers. Okay, it's okay. You got the result. 2 and 4. It was addition, right? So you got 6. Okay, clear? Okay, okay. So let me write the code in the comment box. So to compile, okay, we have written our program in editor. Then we have to compile. So you have to click upon the terminal. Your terminal will be opened. Then there you have to check whether the C compiler, that is GCC, is available or not. So you can do that by writing GCC space double hyphen, not single hyphen, double hyphen. Okay, you give that. Then you will see the version that is already will be displayed. Then you have to write ls will show you that what are the files available in the current directory. Okay, so you will see your currently created file will be there with the C extension if you are working upon the C program. Then you have to write GCC space the name of the C program file, that is hello world 1.c. Okay, in my case, written. Then after that you have to press ls. Okay, so you have writing gcc space hello world dot one dot c, that means it is for compilation. So if it won't show you anything, that means your program is correct, there is no error. So if your program will have any error, then after writing the gcc and hello world one dot c, so it will show you, so this is the error, right? So if you have are not getting anything, that means your program is correct. Then whenever you press right type ls, it will give you the executable file, that is a dot out. This is what, this is the executable file. Let me write this executable file, right? So this is the executable file. Then you have to run that. So how we can run? So you will have to write dot, then slash, then name of the executable file, that is a dot out. So whenever you press this, you will get the output, what is written in your program, what you have written. The entire thing will be displayed there only, right? So this is the way by which you can run a C program. So those who have not compiled yet, you can just see the chat box. I have written every command one by one, and just follow this, and you will get the output. Thank you, Sylvester. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Mm-hmm. User, write a query in the chat box. That means you want to give your program to the end users. Is this? I see that. See that you have, suppose you have, yeah. So you have just executed, that means you have executed a program and you have just kept in that in the cloud. That means so many you can say that so many users are there at their cloud, means they can access, okay, they can access at any time at anywhere. Okay, so that is distributed. Yeah, that is distributed. How can you deploy it for users access? Yeah, that can be distributed. Okay, so there, you say that in case of distributed computing, if you are using that, that means you are developing a program. Yeah, finished product. This is after developing program. It has been. Okay, see that suppose you are using the distributed computing and you have just developed a project. Let us see that suppose you are a developer, web developer, and you are just developing a website for the users, or you see that any of the users, that means who are the really the needy ones, so they can access the site. So you can take help to the cloud computing concept. That means if we have one project, if you have something, we have to keep that in a loop, we have to keep that in a center, so that the others will, we have to provide privilege to the users, right? We have to provide the privilege that they can access, they can, suppose they want to read only, or they can, if they have some difficulties, if they have some error, or if they want to improve something, they can also ping you, that they can also say you, or they can also just put their requirement that this is the change we need. So that means you have to provide the, suppose as you are know that if you are working with the mongodb, if you are working with any database management system, any server you are working with, that means you have to put all the things, all the project in one place. okay, in one place, and you have to give privilege to the users, okay, the who are registered in the site, or who are the users that are want to use the files. You have to give it, you have to provide the privilege. Okay, so as per the requirements, as you have given that late in my project, that the persons who visit to my site, to visit the my website, they can access my product. So if you are giving such type of privilege to the user, they can also access your product or any project, any web development if you have done. Okay, any doubt? See, suppose you have developed something, how you can provide to the users? Okay, suppose you are develop, you are means owner or the entrepreneur. You are okay, so you have something, you have some product. So how can you just publish? This means you can just publicize your product to the people in a particular region, or the publicize your product to the people that belong to your whole country. That means you have to put that in the database. That means suppose as you are working with the, let you can see the Flipkart, any e-commerce site you are using, so they have the product. Okay, they have the product, and they everything that they have developed, they have there. So any user who wants to enter, who wants to use that project, they have to enter into the site, they have to give their credentials so they can access that. Okay, so I we have developed a product, we have to put that in a particular server, so that any user that want to access that server, they can also use that product. Okay. So this way we can do also, right? Anything want to ask? Sylvester and Mamad. Okay, clear. Okay. You see that whenever we host something, suppose we are hosting something, how can we make our site or our development available to everyone? Okay, you say me that suppose you might have seen that what the app is there, that is you can see the Play Store. Okay, you can take the example of Play Store. So suppose anyone is developing something, any web applications. Okay, so they have to put there so that any user who will go and will enter into that one can access that. So if you want to give enter into the Play Store, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are developing, that means something that should be means purchased, that should be reachable to everyone. So you have to put that in the server, right? So if you are putting that any web application in the server, then anyone can access that. Okay, this is the way we can give access to all those things. Yeah, yeah. Mhm, 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 mhm. Okay. Uh, okay, okay, okay. So let us do this. Then tomorrow, na tomorrow is my last class. So tomorrow, just let me show that if you have, let we have created a simple web application, how we can we how that can be available to the user. So I will just tell you. Okay. So at that time. Let us just this only C program. We have developed a C program. Let smaller example because that can be applicable to anything because that process would be same. So let we have developed something using let the basic that is Python. Using Python we have developed something and we have to that we have to make that available to everyone. How can we deploy that? Okay, so tomorrow that will be the purpose because we have done with all our practicals. So tomorrow just I will just explain that one and I will wind up. Okay, is it okay? Sylvester? Okay. Thank you. Right. This is now we have done with the C program. Then come to the Python. Okay. So yesterday we just run the Python program, but at that time we are working with the GitHub account. That means we have to go into that GitHub. We have to write the code. We have to copy the code. We have to paste that. So if we do not want to do that process, what are the other process? How we can run the Python program? Here you can see that using the command, using the Cloud Shell terminal, we also executed the C program. So same thing we have to do with the Python also. So what you can do, just type your Python 3. Okay. So you can see that Python 3 is available. Okay. This is the version. Python 3 is available. This is the version. So let I write, let a variable. This is GCP. Okay. GCP is a variable. There I want to store what I want to display. Suppose simple example I want to write the online class. Let I'm write online class. Okay, online class. Then I have to print that variable. You can write here GCP. Any variable you can take, right? Just give enter. So whenever you press enter, you will see whatever I have written here, I'm getting this online class. So this is one way by which you can also execute a simple Python program. Then how we can just come out of this, you can do this by writing this quit function. Okay, so if you press quit function you will see that I have just come out that Python program. Okay, the function is quit. Let me write that quit to come out of that. Okay, this is one process. This is one way of writing. Another way we can also do write in the editor also. So what we can do? So we have to create a Python file. So at that we can do writing touch. Then let I'm writing. This is hello world one dot py. Python program is hello world one. This is name of the my Python the name of my file and the extension is py. That means I want to write that the Python code and touch command is to create the file. Then okay, after this then I have to open the file in the editor. So in Linux Ubuntu we were using gedit, if you can remember. So here we will write only edit space name of the file we have, that is hello world 1 dot py. Just click upon this. You will see the editor will be opened. The name of the file is here hello world 1.py. That means this file is opened. I have to type the code. Let's simple code I have to type, that is print. Okay, print. This is welcome to town. Town, right? Okay. Now in my file hello world 1.py, I have written something that I need to display this statement. Then after writing this, you can write any Python program here. Then click upon open terminal. We have opened the terminal. Here in order to clear all these things, you can write clear or you can write type control plus L. Let me write that in this. In order to clear the terminal, clear the terminal, what you have to write, you can type clear or control L. Okay, you can clear. If you need, you can clear. Right. Then I want to run that. So how we can write Python 3? We just verified that we have the Python 3 version installed. So I can write here Python 3 space name of my file. This is hello world 1 dot py. You can see the output is there. Welcome to town. So there are two ways of writing this. You can just uh, access in any way. Okay. So if you want to write any program, any Python program, you can also write. This is the simple program that I displayed. If you need any other program related to Python, you can also write. Everyone doing the same. Okay. So we have completed this C program using Cloud Shell. We have completed deploying Python program using Cloud Shell, and we'll just run with the Java program using Cloud Shell. Okay. So everyone clear? Basir, Muhammad, Nakash, Saibu, Sylvester, clear about this? Yes, yes. Yes, yes, take time. What about Anas? He is not coming from last 2 days. Okay, do this. Let me show this again. Yeah. You can also maximize your screen. Output is not displaying. Have you written Python? This you have named the created the file using this touch name of the file and the extension. Written the code. Okay. Then I've done Python. Okay. Okay. You can show me. Share your screen. Okay, Saipu. Mm. Print hello world. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. You have created everything. Hello world.py. Okay. Hello world. Yeah, you can see you have written something wrong, I think. Edit hello world 1.py. See, you have created the file hello world, but you are editing with hello world. Check. This is hello world, right? Yeah. Great. Yes. Edit hello world. world 1 R L D. Again, you have written the same mistake. Hello world. L D L D R L D. Hello world. You have created the file as a touch hello world. WORLD. You are, yeah, you are editing with hello WORD1. This is the mistake is not matching. The file is not matching. This is hello world. Yeah, yeah. Type. Yeah, this is a different one. Print. Yes. Okay, now type. Yeah, Python 3. Okay. 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 Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Up to this, we are clear. Then. Yeah. See, you can you can just type ls. You will see that how many files are there, and whenever you will see in my see in here also. Uh, Suppose, let me connect that again. Reconnect. If click on open editor, okay, you can see here these are the files. These are the files. If you want to cut, you can just close this one. No? You can close this one. Okay, I have maximized this. Right, then we will work upon the Java program. For Java program, we need the JDK, right? And we need the Java compiler. So we'll check. You can clear the all this above by writing the clear or control L also. So I do not want to clear because anybody, if I have not done with the program, you can also see the code. So let's check the JDK version. So Java space double hyphen. This is version. You can see here OpenJDK. This is the version. It is already there. Then we have to check the Java compiler, Java C. Then double hyphen. This is version. Okay, so you can see this is Java compiler version also there. Then what I want to do, I want to create a Java file. The syntax is same, the command is same. You have to write touch, then name of the Java file. Let the same name I want to give hello world one dot Java. In this case, the extension will be Java. In Python, that will be py. In C, you know that is dot C. Okay. So in C++, if you want to do that, will be the compiler will be G++. So in C, we are writing upon GCC. In C++, same process will be same, but the compiler will be G++. So you have to check whether G++ is installed or not. So you have created a hello world one file with the Java extension. That means you are now here to write the Java program. Okay. Then we have to open the editor. We have to open the editor with this file name. So how we can do? We have to write edit, then hello world one dot Java. Hello world one dot Java. Then click upon this. You'll see you'll see the editor is now opened. Just keep this. Okay, editor is opened. Then you can type the Java program. Just simple program I'm just typing. Let I want to write here class hello world. Let the name of my class is hello world, right? So there I want to give the curly brace. I can write public. You know the syntax of writing the Java program. Public static void main. Okay. Within that you have to write string args. Okay. Arguments. Right. Then inside that we have to write a simple program. Give the curly brace. Then write to display. We need system dot out dot print ln or print, then write hello world. Okay, give semicolon, curly brace open close, curly brace open closed. Okay, it's okay. Everyone just write a simple Java program. Class name public static void main string args system dot out dot println. Then you have to write something that you want to display. Okay. So do you know the explanation? This is class and class name. Name of the class is hello world, and this is Java's main method, right? Void main. Main method is what? This is the you can see the starting point from where the Java virtual machine JVM. You know that JVM starts execution of a Java program, right? So JVM will not execute the code if the program is missing the main method, right? So what is written here? Public static void main. So public it what? It is the access specifier. You know the access specifier, that means it that make available of the objects of the function, that whether everyone can access, means outside the class it can be accessible or not. So as you have written public, that means it is accessible outside the class. Static it what? This is the keyword. And void, you know, this is the return type. Main is what? This is the method name. And args is what? String here. And args is what? This is the array of string type. You know that everything, you know, we have executed, I think you have executed Java program. So JVM can invoke the main method outside the class, so that's why we have written this public. And static means main method is static, so that JVM can invoke it without, you can say, without creating the object of the class. This can also be invoked. That means main function can also be accessed by JVM. So this saves the unnecessary wastage of memory. Suppose we are creating, declaring the object, we are using the object, that means it will take storage, right? So this can be avoided by writing the static method. So what is about this string args, this square bracket? So this is a command line argument and it's belong to the class string. Here string is what? It is a class. And this is used to call the main function in Java also. The main function is called if it is means if its formal parameters matches that of an array of strings. Okay, you all, everyone, everything, you know that. So system is what? S is capital here. This is also a class. Print ln, we can use that to print, that means it will print the statement, then it will just blink in the next line. Print ln means new line, next line. Okay, everything we know that. Okay, up to this. Clear everyone? Okay. How we can run this? Any idea? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Any others? Any idea? Means we have to compile first, then we have to run that. Okay. So how can we compile? Open this terminal. Then everyone, I have lost the connection. Okay, reconnect. Right. So you have to compile that. So how we can compile using Java C? Then you have to write Java C, Java compiler space name of the file we have, that is hello world one dot Java. Okay, up to this. Clear? Up to this clear. Then whenever you compile a Java program, you know that it will give you a class file. So we have to execute that class file. So that's why Java is called platform independent. That means it has a class file. You can run it in any other platform also. So you can type ls. So whenever you type, you will see there is a class file. A.out is the class file. So we have to get that class file and we have to run that. So whenever we'll run, we have to write here only Java. This time not Java C because we have already compiled Java. Then name of the file without extension. This is hello world one. Okay, this is name of my name of my file. It's okay, Java world one. Okay, then error Java. What happened with me? Mhm. You're also getting the same error. Java hello world one. I have compiled. Let me show again. Java C space one dot Java. What is the error here? Error couldn't find load main class. Class name. Let me check the code. I'll let you check the code. Class name is there. Public static calibras public static void main string args. Okay. Then system.out.println. Okay. Calibras. It's okay. What's the problem? Let me run. Yeah, you can see from here also. Okay. Here it is giving the output. This is hello Mona Lisa. Okay. Here from this you can run the Java. Now I think it will be okay in case of terminal. All of you, there are two options to run. From this say editor also, you can click upon this run and you will see the output will be displayed here. So we have done a mistake here. So let me check whether it is coming or not. Let me open the terminal. Then type this Java C, then hello world one dot Java. Okay, yeah, ls. Okay, then Java hello world one. Because here it's coming error, but the program there is no error. Okay, you can see from there also. This is the output showing. So if the program have some error, it's here also we can see the error. Okay, so there is no error at all, but in some cases that is not running in case of terminal. Okay, Sometimes it may happen that before this session I was just running the Python program. So whenever I click upon this uh, when I click upon this to run the Python program, here in this case I got the error. But whenever I just went to the open this terminal and when I typed the command, at that time here I got the output. So this is also happening in case of Java program. The program is doesn't have any error. You can see it's running, its output is showing the output. That means there is no error in program. So in some cases it is happening that in terminal we are not getting the output, but the process is same, that we have to write Java. In order to run, you have to write Java, then space name of the file without any extension. Okay, so this will be the output. The output will be what I have written here. You can see from the editor. This will be the output. There is no error in the program, and the process of running the program in the terminal is same also. You have to write Java space name of the program, name the file, and without any extension. Okay. All of you do. Sylvester, just share your screen. Are you getting this? Yeah. Yeah. Share this. Share the screen. Share your screen so that I can see. Share your screen. Okay. Mm. In compilation, you are getting public. No, write class name only. Do not write public. Class name. No, go to the editor. Change there. Go to the editor. Write class name only. Class name. Yeah, class name. Run. Yeah, you run here also. Here in editor, you come run this. What is coming? Continue. Hello world. Okay, so it is displaying. But in case of terminal, compilation, during compilation you are getting error. Yeah, you do one thing, just to change, you do one thing, just remove that public before a class. Okay, because program is right, it is not wrong, but just remove that. Let us see. Yeah, remove totally, yes. Yeah, class name. Okay, then come to the terminal. Yeah, run this. Yeah, terminal you come. Program is, you have written the right program, no wrong in that, but let us check. Hello world 1.java, it's coming. Then just type ls. Okay, then type Java space name of the file. One. Okay, enter. Okay, the same thing you are getting also. Okay. But the program is there is no error in the program, but sometimes come because before the session I was also executing the Java file, but at that time it was running. Okay, no error at that time. So let me check it again. Mm, okay, just stop sharing a screen. Yeah, let me check. Let me check again. Okay. See, let me share the screen. You can check from here also. Let me share the screen. Okay. Is it visible? See, uh, open editor. You see that here is also one program name of hello world dot java. We are running upon hello world 1 dot java. So this is hello world dot java. Okay. See, the same thing is written. Class name, everything is same, no change at all. Then is it visible to everyone? See, name of the file hello world, extension is java. Yeah, the same thing is written, same thing, no change at all. Then if you I just open the terminal, here I can see, I can write, late I'm writing here java c. Compile, I want to compile. Let me check whether it is running or not. Hello world, this was hello world, right? Dot java. Okay. So it is compiled, this is compiled. Then I have to type ls. Then you can see the this class file is there. The name of the my file is hello world dot java. Then I want to run this java. Then this is hello world. Okay. So you can see the output is now showing hello world to home. Let me check this editor. Hello world to home. I have written hello world to home and it is also coming hello world to home. That means the process is same. We have written the same way. We have written everything else, but sometimes error comes. Okay. So process is same. Java, then space name of the file without extension. Clear? You can also check from this file. This is also a Java file I have executed prior to this session. Then here also output is coming. Clear? Mhm. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Okay. Everyone clear up to this? Any doubt? Anybody want to ask me anything? To compile the Java program, let just see the chat box. I'm writing Java C. You have to write then name of the file. Name of file extension. Okay. So whenever you will just run that, that means whenever you compile a Java program, a class file is generated. So you have to take the class file to execute. Then we will execute by writing Java, then space name of the file only. Name of file. No extension will be there. You will get. Yeah. Now working. Okay. Right. Right. Okay. So we have done with all our these three programs, and we have completed 31 programs in our 19 days of practical journey. We have completed 31 programs, and tomorrow I will discuss that how we can do, how you can make available our program to everyone. Okay, I will do upon. I will just show you how we can do that. Then we'll just wind up our practical session. Then I will share this. Okay, I will share this. You can also see what are the programs we have completed. Right. Then regarding this session of today's session, any doubt? Clear? Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I'll do tomorrow. That will be the session. And if anybody having any doubt, also you run the programs, and you can also ask me today or in tomorrow. You are free to ask at any time. Okay. So can you run the Java program and Ubuntu operating system and virtual machine? Okay. If you are given question to just use your cloud sim and you have to use the sample Java programs, can you do using the virtual machine? Okay, what about the others? Are you are clear about all these programs? Let me show it again. Okay, all these programs we have done. Okay. We have written every programs and cloud computing, even the data science also. Okay. Every program, everyone is clear. If any question comes across this, means you can see the logic can also work out. Okay, Mohammed clear, Sylvester clear. What about others? Saibu, are you clear? Nakaj, Basir, one more student is there also. Let me. No, he left. He left. Okay. Okay. Only five students are present. What about the others? Are they working? Are they busy at their work? Yeah, I'm also sharing the means the video lecture, the recorded session that from my side I'm also sharing. So those who are suppose for any reason they are not attending the class, they can also take the help of that one. So yesterday one boy was asking me that where can I get the recorded session, recorded videos. So I think he's not in the group or he's not active in the group. I don't know who just forgot his name. Okay, so that boy was asking him, where can I get the videos? Okay, so if he's not in the group, if you just add him or just send the link to so that he can be added in the group and he will just access the videos also. Yeah, Muhammad is very clear, done with the execution. Okay, okay, everyone. So let us stop the session and we'll meet tomorrow. Okay, anything you want to ask? Any doubt? Or I'm clear? I'm very clear in this session. Okay. Okay. So let us stop the session. Yeah, Mama, thank you. Sylvester, thank you. Nakas. Okay. So let me stop the session and we'll meet tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Thanks for giving time for this session and have a good day.